Hi students, in this session we will learn about light, the basic nature of light. We all know that light enables us to see objects. To study about the nature of light, there are various theories: corpuscular theory, quantum theory, Maxwell's theory, and so on. Light is a form of energy and travels as electromagnetic waves. This is as per the Maxwell's theory. That means according to Maxwell's theory, light is having the wave nature. Wave nature means what? Wave nature means the light is traveling as waves like this. And this wave possesses both electric field and magnetic field. Look at this diagram. You can see the electric field and magnetic field here. The one which is shown in red color, this oscillation or the wave is the magnetic field. And the one which is shown in blue color, that is the electric field. Because this is the diagram of an electromagnetic wave. This is the electric field. And one thing which you can notice from this is that they both are perpendicular to each other. Suppose if this is electric field and this is magnetic field, they are perpendicular to each other, which means 90 degree. This is electric field and let this be magnetic field. And what is the direction of propagation of the wave? You can see the direction of the propagation of the wave is in this manner. This is the direction of propagation of the wave, like this, which is perpendicular to both electric field and magnetic field. This nature is called by a term called transverse. You will say this light is transverse in nature. Transverse. All electromagnetic waves are transverse in nature. The oscillations will be perpendicular to the direction of propagation of the wave. What are the properties of electromagnetic waves? They are transverse in nature. They do not require any medium for propagation, which means it can travel through vacuum. The speed of light is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second in vacuum or air. In other media, for example in glass or in water, the speed will be different. 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second means light travels 3 into 10 raised to 8 meters in 1 second. Per means 1. Imagine that speed in 1 second. It travels 3 into 10 raised to 8 meters. To indicate the direction or path for the light energy, we use ray. Ray is just a line with a arrow mark. This shows the direction or the path of the light energy. If you draw more than one ray, a group of rays, then it is called beam. Ray or beam is used to indicate the direction. The direction or path along which the light energy travels in a medium. And a group of rays is called beam of light. The beam can be convergent beam or divergent beam or parallel beam. You look at this diagram. This is parallel beam of light. Parallel beam of light means what? All the rays will be parallel. This ray, this is one single ray, this is another ray, this is another ray, and this is another ray. You can see all these rays are parallel. Such kind of rays you will call that as parallel beam of light. For divergent beam of light, you look at this diagram. Divergent means from a single point, this is the point, you can see the rays are going outwards like this. This is a ray, this is another ray, this is another ray. The rays are going away from that point. Then you will call this as divergent beam of light. From a single point source, it is diverging. For convergent beam of light, this is the point and the rays are converging towards that point. These are single rays and all these rays are converging to this point. You look at the arrow mark, then you will not find it difficult to understand divergent and convergent. Converge means all the rays should converge to a point. Diverge means from a point the rays are diverging. This is about convergent beam, divergent beam and parallel beam. We all know that light enables us to see objects, and we have learned about the basic nature of light. Light as an electromagnetic wave according to Maxwell's theory. An electromagnetic wave means it possesses both electric field and magnetic field, and these electromagnetic waves are transverse in nature. And also the speed of light, we learned about the speed of light as 3 into 10 raised to 8 meters per second in vacuum or air. And ray or beam indicates the direction or path of the light rays. And beam can be convergent or divergent beam. In the next session, we will learn about reflection of light. See you.